Need some more dinner ideas? Today we're gonna make this one sheet pan chicken with tomatoes, onions, chickpeas, and feta. To get started on making our one sheet pan chicken, chickpeas, tomato, onion, lemon, this is delicious, so easy. You need some of these recipes, you gotta save these because these are easy, quick, and delicious. And if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel below. So here we have 4 bone-in chicken breasts. I have washed, dried them. Now we're gonna season them. So we're gonna do oregano. I am not afraid of oregano, so I have a teaspoon of that. Salt. Paprika. And then we're gonna do cumin and pepper. So I'm just doing a half a teaspoon of cumin and pepper. So now that we have seasoned our chicken, now we gotta get our sheet pan ready. So nice big sheet pan here. I've preheated the oven to 425. And so on this sheet pan, we have 1 can of chickpeas. Drain the chickpeas, a pint of cherry tomatoes. Arrange those on there. We have a whole onion, so I'm gonna cut this. And slice them. Now we'll arrange our onions on our baking sheet. And now we'll season these vegetables as well before we put our chicken on here. So we have here olive oil. I'm gonna season with a little bit more salt and pepper. And some oregano. All the traditional flavors of making a Greek dish. And all flavors go so well together. So we'll mix these together. So we coat all our vegetables. Perfect. And now we're gonna put our seasoned chicken, skin side up. You could do breast or thighs for these. So whatever you have, and put those on top. Or whatever your kids will eat. And then we're gonna put on top of this some more olive oil. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna pop this in the oven at 425 for about 35 minutes. Before we pop this in the oven, I have some 4 whole garlic cloves. I'm gonna put those on top and now we're gonna put this in the oven. We've baked this for 35 minutes. Look how amazing. It looks so good. So now we're gonna top it off with some chopped fresh basil and parsley. Some crumbled feta, of course. Look how beautiful and colorful this is. And so easy. 1 pan, no mess. We're gonna serve it right on this baking sheet, so we don't even have to dirty anything else. And then I'm gonna put some lemon rounds for serving. Look at this. Perfect, ready to go. Dinner is served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you could purchase some of my favorite products.